Mama.
Mama. Mom.
Here, wait, do this one. Mandy, turn around. I want to see your wings. Good.
I'm so tired.
That's funny.
Mandy, do you have that one on your phone?
I wish I had.
You've never seen the Yes Dance? Okay, I have to get my laptop and play that.
Wait, Mandy, do you have the other one on your phone? You're gonna dance for us.
What song do I have on my phone? Oh.
I don't know if you have it on your phone. Your dance.
I'm completely
Pop it, lock it.
No, that's yours.
Pop, lock, and drop it?
No.
Don't look at me like... Oh. No, I don't.
Oh, well, you
it's on
can
my
sing it.
iPod. Do you have an iPod player?
No.
No.
Pull up Shawty, it's your booty.
Shawty, it's your booty.
Shawty, it's your booty. It's trying.
She can just sing it for us.
I just want to touch it, rub it like the freaking dance. Girl, I'm sick.
Hold on. Let's find it.
Oh man, I'm playing that song at my wedding.
You have to make a list of all the songs you're playing at your wedding. There was another one. What was the other one?
Girl, I'm addicted to it.
Let me break some booty moves, Alex.
Back it up. Back it up.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Okay, we need to back it up song.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find...
She just wants to get in the shower, I think.
No, I really can't find... Here we go.
I don't know if she knows this
Do you
one.
have a song? I don't know. Oh.
Do you know this?
Dance! Dance!
She doesn't know it.
This is like when you got a spank. She's hot. I tapped that.
Why, Cody?
Hey, Mandy, at least we're getting your reaction to something on film.
I can't hear you, Robin.
She's taping it. It'll probably on YouTube by 2 o'clock.
You better tag us all, bitch.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Now you're gonna get low. Back it up, back it up, back it up.
The fairy wings are the best.
Seriously, I love the wings.
You know this one, Marissa? Have you seen this one?
No.
Take a bow.